Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Have you ever wanted to elevate your massage game to an entirely new level? Well, your wish is granted. I just discovered this incredible vibroacoustic therapy massage table attachment bundle that is revolutionizing relaxation. This innovative kit instantaneously turns any standard massage table into a high-tech sound healing system, blending the benefits of low-frequency sound vibrations with a soothing massage experience. Perfect for massage therapists, wellness centers, and holistic health practitioners eager to offer an unparalleled therapeutic experience that keeps clients coming back. You'll get advanced vibroacoustic technology with 50-watt RMS transducers, allowing for a therapeutic frequency range that resonates with your body and mind. Plus, it comes with a powerful custom Bluetooth amplifier that seamlessly connects with your devices, letting you control everything from your smartphone. Whether you run a bustling spa or have a home therapy practice, this bundle's universal fit makes installation a breeze and promises durability for daily professional use. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced circulation, natural pain relief, and even improved sleep quality. Trust me, once you integrate this system, you'll stand out in the crowded wellness market and elevate your practice to new heights. Grab yours today and transform your approach to healing.